Bruh, your lights out. Alright, did the deal. Got the cash. $350 total. $175. Today we are working on this house. Right now I'm just taping off and painting the common area. It's a foreclosed house and it's like 2 minutes away from my house. There's a person moving in soon into one of the rooms, so I'm checking my private mailbox right now, the place where I rent my box. The guy usually calls me, tells me I have a package, so I'm gonna go see what I have. I'm waiting on these slalom cones. Slalom is like Olympic skiing, where you have to go in between the poles at like high rates of speed. I think the most relatable thing is like seeing dogs dodging the little pole going back and forth. They do that for inline skates too, so I've been wanting to get into it, but the wait time for these cones on Amazon is like 3 weeks, so can't wait. Yeah, it's just my garbage. So this is the property. One thing I wanted to show you in this part of the house. They tried to do their own extension, and well, that's black mold. I'm not gonna try to do anything in this room until everything's cleared out. I had to get more tape. This guy on Facebook Marketplace messaged me. He wants to buy my Sonos Play 3 speakers. He hasn't negotiated any price, so I'm guessing he wants to pay the full $350 for it, so that might be good. I'm gonna go home, get the speakers, and then we'll head over to the place we're gonna meet. Selling some Sonos speakers for $350. It's 2 Sonos Play 3s. I'm waiting for the guy. I'm in a parking lot by my house. How's it going? I made sure to wipe them down. I don't know if you want to do it again.
Oh yeah, I got the Play 1s and Play 5s at the house. I haven't seen the Play 3s up close personally. But they actually sell some stands for these.
Oh yeah.
But you guys don't sell them here, huh? I think they're by Sanus.
There are a speaker. Here, do you need that?
Thanks. Appreciate it.
Okay, no problem. Go down home audio. Home audio, and then there should be a speaker jacks, 5, 10, 30. All right, did the deal. Got the cash, $350 total, $175 each speaker. Did not bargain. He was from a wealthy area, so originally these guys are like $300 each, so he got a deal. Got the deal cam going on here, so maybe I got a good angle, maybe I didn't. Maybe I just got his chin or like his chest. Should be a speaker jacks, 5, 10, 30. All right, looks good. Anyways, just got done from this job and did that Facebook Marketplace meetup. Probably gonna get some eBay clothing store going on. That's pretty much it. I love California. All the things that we don't need are essential, so got boba. So good. Anyways, that's done. Let's head outside. Alright, we're back. I got the order, so we'll do this later. But first, I've been playing a lot of Animal Crossing. I have these bins that I pulled off Facebook Marketplace. So these sunglasses were a retail arbitrage buy at Nordstrom Rack. I paid $20 for these guys. I also got these Velcro coins with no case. These were $30. I don't usually do retail arbitrage, but when I do, it's usually Nordstrom Rack. Ray-Ban sold for $87. Adriano Goldschmied jeans sold for $48.44. They are in TSM A1J18. Let's go pull those. Still working on the garage. TSM A1J18. All right, we have A1. All right, A1J18. ready to go. I don't usually pick up jeans, but when I do, they're usually on sale. All right, those guys are pulled. Usually when new orders come in, I'll wait till the next day, but I have some time, so this is what just sold. This Razer Naga mouse. It has the keys on the side. This is the right-handed version. Your right hand usually aligns with the numbers. The left-handed version goes for a lot more money, like $200, $300 used. Be on the lookout for those. Sold this Audio Man. It's vintage, came out in '93. That's what the date says. Also sold this Obey Keith Haring collab. Let's look at the numbers. Shirt sold for 30, mouse sold for 40, Audio Man sold for 45. All right, so let's pack these. All right, got the sunglasses, got the jeans. I'm gonna put the jeans in a padded flat rate. And then this is just gonna go regular priority. These are going to a town over, so it's not gonna be that much to ship. All right. I'm gonna be reusing this eBay box that I got with shipping supplies, and then this void fill that I got from the dumpster. All right, weigh the box. All right, weigh 6 ounces. All right, gotta weigh. Fucking god damn it. Box weighs 7 ounces. And there's a 2x7 label. All right, let's go to the post office. Depending on how early or late I am, I'll usually go to the postal annex and check my private mailbox, or I'll just go ahead and go to the post office and ship these guys out. These gas is cheap. Some lady said I looked fruity today. I am offended. It's so nice outside. I wanted to do a time lapse.
Shout out to my dudes.
Stop, man. All right, let's open this. All that work just to do an unboxing, am I right? Oh, the wonders of Arca Swiss mounts. I never knew that you can get the same tripod mount and it would work across all your cameras. It's just a sweet thing. Just some camera stuff going on, guys. For all my videos before, I've been using this iPhone 11 Pro Max and this Pixel 4 XL. So I wanted to switch over to using a camera because dynamic range is a thing. So I got a wireless mic system just for when I'm doing those lives. I can have the audio in my ear as well as transmit with the lav. Hook that up to my phone whenever I'm doing a recording or a live stream. So it's just 2 hip packs. Probably get that going next time. I've been waiting for these. So in Animal Crossing, you have the ability to move in new villagers by using an amiibo. And Bolo, some of those amiibos are like $75. You can make your own amiibo characters using the NFC chips. So I got NFC chips, and then I got the cases for the NFC chips. So this is the small rig top handle for the cage that I'm using right now. So it has the 3/8 mount and it has the 1/4. So you have the camera, then you have the cage that goes around the camera, and it goes on top of the cage. Just so you can carry the camera easier, like on like a tripod or something. So I got a mini tripod for the gimbal stabilizer I use. I use the Jouin Smooth Q2. It's gonna go on to the bottom right here. It's sweet, it can stand on its own. I got some cold shoe and hot shoe mounts. These are also small rig. Oh, I also sharpened my knife. See that? The small rig makes pretty good camera equipment. So these are cold shoe adapters for the cage. Yeah, let's put all this together.